Barley Grass Powder. Barley grass powder has emerged as a popular superfood due to its rich nutrient profile, offering vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and chlorophyll that support detoxification, digestion, and overall health. With the growing demand for organic and sustainable food products. List 1. Numami Organic Barley Grass Juice Powder. Numami Organic Barley Grass Juice Powder is a standout product for its innovative manufacturing process that cold presses barley grass into juice before spray drying it at ambient temperatures. This technique results in a nutrient concentration up to 20 times higher than traditional whole barley grass powders. The product is water-soluble, making it easy to mix into smoothies or juices, and contains only 4% fiber, reducing the risk of bloating, a common issue with plant-based supplements. Additionally, it's GMO-free and packaged in biodegradable materials, aligning with eco-conscious consumer values. In terms of performance, Numami's barley grass juice powder excels in both nutrient density and ease of use. The powder dissolves seamlessly, providing a smooth texture in beverages without the grit often associated with fiber-rich powders. This makes it particularly suitable for individuals with sensitive digestive systems or those seeking a potent yet gentle detox solution. The biodegradable packaging is a thoughtful touch, though it's worth noting that home composting may not be viable for this material. Overall, this product is ideal for users prioritizing high-nutrient bioavailability and environmental sustainability. List them. Green Foods Green Magma Organic is based on Dr. Hagawara's original formula, delivering a mildly alkaline powder made from organic young barley grass juice. Known for its balanced nutrient profile, this product provides a rich mix of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, amino acids, and enzymes. It is marketed as a comprehensive superfood for detoxification and overall wellness, leveraging the nutritional power of young barley grass. Green Magma Organic shines as a reliable choice for consumers seeking a traditional, tried and tested formula. The powder is smooth and mixes well, making it versatile for various applications, from smoothies to standalone drinks. However, the packaging in a canister might not appeal to eco-conscious users compared to biodegradable alternatives. While its nutrient profile is robust, it lacks the innovative nutrient-dense juice powder approach seen in competitors like Numami. This 3. Barley Grass Juice Powder. This product combines Numami's nutrient-dense barley grass juice powder with Atlantic dulse seaweed, creating a powerful detox blend. The barley grass is cold-pressed and spray-dried, preserving its bioactive nutrients, while the dulse is vacuum-dried to lock in freshness. Both ingredients are vegan, GMO-free, and cruelty-free, with the dulse responsibly harvested from the North Atlantic. The biodegradable packaging further underscores Numami's commitment to sustainability. The addition of Atlantic dulse makes this product a unique choice for users seeking a more comprehensive detox solution. The blend offers a rich nutrient profile while supporting ocean ecosystems through sustainable harvesting practices. The powder mixes well in smoothies, though the flavor may be slightly earthy due to the seaweed component. This product is ideal for consumers looking to combine the benefits of barley grass and dulse in one convenient package. List 4. Best Botanicals Barley Grass Powder, 16 ounces. Organic. Best Botanicals Barley Grass Powder is a straightforward superfood supplement offering organic, vegan protein and amino acids. Packaged in a resealable bag, this powder is marketed as a versatile addition to smoothies and recipes for those seeking a simple, nutrient-rich green powder. While Best Botanicals delivers on the basics, it lacks the innovation and nutrient density of juice powders. The texture is slightly gritty, and the fiber content may cause bloating for some users. However, it remains a solid choice for those prioritizing affordability and simplicity over cutting-edge processing techniques. List 5. Micro Ingredients Organic Spirulina Powder, 1 pound. Micro Ingredients offers a bundle featuring organic spirulina and barley grass powders. providing a nutrient-dense combination for immune support, digestion, and energy. Both powders are non-GMO, gluten-free, and free from preservatives, with rigorous third-party lab testing ensuring purity and potency. The bundle format is appealing for users looking to diversify their green powder intake. While the barley grass powder is nutrient-rich, it doesn't match the bioavailability of juice powders like Numami's. Additionally, the inclusion of spirulina adds versatility, but may not suit users specifically seeking pure barley grass products. The packaging is functional, but lacks eco-friendly features.